Hey everybody, welcome to our apartment tour. We live in this place for about 4 years now. It's our 5th place here in China, and we like this apartment as it's quite big, and we need a big place because we have a lot of stuff and we have a lot of pets. We have Wei Wei, which is a 3-legged Rottweiler, and we have 2 cats that were also a rescue, and we have some hamsters and fish, and we now have 2 little kittens that Michelle, my wife, picked up from the outside. They are like a few days old kittens. So this place is quite big, and we are 4 people other than the pets that I described. We have Danny and Zen. Danny and Zen are 13 and 8. And this apartment is 165 square meter. We have a front yard, a backyard. We have 4 bedrooms, a big basement, and our own underground parking spot. I am going to take you around, or the kids will take you around and show you our place. Alright, Zen, is this the living room?
Yes.
What are you going to show us in the living room? Go show us.
There's my dog over there.
What's his name?
Lily.
Alright, and what is this? Here.
This is the cat tree for the cats.
Yeah, they walk on there?
Not really.
Okay, not really. Alright, what else we got in the living room? Why do you like it?
Because of the TV to watch.
What do you watch?
YouTube.
YouTube? On the TV?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Here's the garden. The cats come here for food, for my mom to give food for the cats.
Yeah.
And we sweep the leaves outside. They don't pile up.
They aren't our cats.
You sweep the leaves?
Yeah. The cat is not our cat. It come here just for food, and I think it's stray cats.
Ah, it's a stray cat. It's coming for food. Okay, alright. How about we have another yard?
This is the backyard. This is where my mom usually takes my dog out to pee and poop because he can't go out normally. He gets tired very easily. And cats do come here for food sometimes.
So cats come in there for food too?
Yeah.
In the backyard and the front yard.
I'm going to show you the kitchen. Let's go. This is Peanut, my cat. This is the table. And this is the cat food for the cats. And there's the cold refrigerator. And there's the regular refrigerator. And there's the cold refrigerator. This is the cooking section to cook food for us to eat. And here is the snacks. Snacks is up there and down there.
Okay, now can you show me your room?
Yes. I have a bed and soft. I have a bike to ride I ride my bike every day. Sometimes I ride my bike. This is my calendar, and here's my bank. Here's my bank to put money inside it. This is my collection to put blind box. And this is my Lego. This is my dad helped me, and this is what my dad helped me too.
Nice room, Zen.
Thank you.
light the fire.
This is my room. This is my shelf. My mom puts a lot of blankets here because she does not want to put it in the basement, which is fine with me. Here's like my blind box collection, and that's my painting. I'm currently working on another painting here. I have a hamster inside there. We just don't have another cage at the moment since stuff happened.
What's your favorite place in your room?
My bed.
What?
My bed and my desk.
Why is it so pink?
Past.
Past? Do you keep your room organized?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I try
You
to.
think so?
I try to.
Alright. You clean it a lot?
Yeah.
You vacuum clean it?
Yeah.
And this is our master bedroom. Today we are all home, so we took the time to clean the house, vacuum every room, and make it shiny, tidy, and clean.
Our house is a very, very, very fine house with 2 cats in the yard.
See, our bedroom is quite nice. We got a big bed, big closet, and our big TV. This is our second bathroom, and this is where the cats do their thing. We have the litter box here, and very often it gets messy because of all these pellets. So again, it's a good thing to have a very good vacuum cleaner when you got pets. And now we're going to show you our big basement. This is our secret door.
Our house is a very, very, very fine house with 2 cats in the yard. Life used to be so hard.
And this is where we store our stuff. As you can see, we have a lot of things here. We're just storing them. But on the other side, and look what we got here.
While you place the flowers in the vase that you bought today.
Last but not least, this is my favorite room of the house. It's my office room where I can sit and work and edit my videos, edit my podcasts, and watch some YouTube. And yeah, I'm really thankful that Dreame has asked me to try their product and do a video tour of our house and talk about how we use it in our house. For example, here, one of my favorite Dreame parts to the vacuum, to the T30, is this one, where I can clean this, and I can even clean the screen. And here, yeah, so this is a great tool to clean your keyboards and clean even the screens. And there are many parts to this vacuum cleaner. I really enjoyed trying it and using it, and I'm really happy that I get to keep it. My wife is happy using it. We can use it between the couch sections and on our bed and even the car, which is really, really great. And we mount it to the wall with a nice device there, and it's easily accessible at any time. So this was our house, our apartment really. It's a place where we really like to be and hope to stay for long, and now it's cleaner because of Dreame. Thank you.
Our house in the middle of our street. Our house
Mother's tired, she needs a rest. The kids are playing up downstairs. Sister's sighing in her sleep. Brother's got a date to keep, he can't hang around. Our house in the middle of our street. Our house in the middle of our street. Our house in the middle of our street. Our house in the middle of our house was our castle and our keep. Our house in the middle of our street. Our house, that was where we used to sleep.